All around the world, it's not a new fact that young people are now redefining how we eat. But behind every meal, nutritious or otherwise, diverse or not diverse, something often lies overlooked, and that is agrobiodiversity. Hi everyone, my name is Oluwaferanmi, and I work with Slow Food as the Programs and Project Manager. Today I'm going to be talking about the nexus between diets and youth. But before I talk about the impact of diets on youth empowerment, I want to talk about agrobiodiversity. Agrobiodiversity has to do with the variety of crops, fruits, vegetables that make up our diet. For young adults and youths, a diverse diet rich in essential nutrients, not just nutrients, macro and micronutrients, is essential for a healthy lifestyle and reduces a greater risk of chronic diseases. But the problem of the diet of today is that it is limited. There are limited food options in the market, and traditional food choices like vegetables, indigenous food crops, for example, bambara beans, are missing from the diet. Now, the solution is not just more staple food crops, but agrobiodiversity in diet. There is a need for youth empowerment for agrobiodiversity, from establishing school gardens to creating digital platforms to encourage the adoption of a healthy and biodiverse diet for youths. What we do at Slow Food Nigeria is that we advocate for good, clean and fair food through several programs and thematic networks like the Arc of Taste, the Slow Food Recipe for Change and Project Green Futures. What we seek to adopt is that we want to influence more youths to influence a change in their diets. We are of the opinion that agrobiodiversity is rooted in our past, fixed in our present, and is our future. Empowering youth in agriculture, advocating for agrobiodiversity not only nourishes our bodies, improves our health, but is also supportive of a good ecosystem and a better generation. It is important that we conserve indigenous knowledge, advocating for agrobiodiversity and pass it on to the next generation.